Hello everybody, welcome to a new episode of Carful. My son and I are eager to start to do the complete restoration of the Birdcage of the Corvette C3. So stay tuned guys. Here's what we found when we were removing some trim parts. And here my son is removing the trim of the twin top. My son definitely was the driving force, the supercharged V8 behind this build. He pushed me to go the extra mile more than once, and if it wasn't for him, I would never have done this much of restoration. But when I look back at it now, I wouldn't have missed 1 minute of the father-son moments we had doing this seemingly endless project. The window frame was a disappointment, but it was only when we removed the cracked window that we saw how bad it was. Just look at it. And just like you, I got completely silent. I had to think of if it was salvageable or not. It looked really bad, of course, but you can only see how bad it is after removing all the rust, and yeah, that's what we had to do, so let's do it. So with renewed energy, I started to grind the window frame with a steel brush to show what was under the rust. And okay, it was bad, but we saw quickly that it was salvageable. The structural rigidity was still there. Okay, there were some holes, but nothing what some old school soldering couldn't fix. And that's what we will show you in the next few minutes here. I started to do some soldering tests, and of course it wasn't easy, because if you never did it on a car, it's always a challenge. But as we went along, it went better and better, and the outcome was surprisingly good. Then my son started to sand the rest of the cage. It was a tedious job, but he did it really thoroughly. Then he prepared all the bare metal with some metal ready product before the zinc aluminum spray came on, and all the other layers after that. It started to look more decent, and I couldn't keep my eyes off of it. Then my son started to brush some mysterious black paint on the frame. He used it before on his Corvette, and he swore it was as hard and durable as powder coating. When that black paint was dry, it was very glossy, so we sprayed a black paint over it that was more with a satin look. When the paint was completely dry, we placed a new windscreen. Consider subscribing, hit the bell, So you won't miss out on the new content, because this is the wrap for this video, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.